everyone, welcome to Delta Exchange YouTube channel. If you are a crypto enthusiast, you must be aware by now that Bitcoin is making moves again and the $1 lakh milestone is closer than ever. But here's the question, are you just watching this action happen or are you actually making profit out of it? So once again, welcome to Delta Exchange India, your ultimate crypto derivatives trading platform tailored specially for Indian users. Today I am going to show you how you can ride this Bitcoin bull run and make most of it by trading in options. Bitcoin price action has been insane. With market sentiment heating up and volatility spiking, we are seeing massive opportunities for traders. And guess what? The secret weapon in this market is options trading. So you must be thinking, why options? So the answer is pretty simple. Whether Bitcoin skyrockets to $1 lakh mark or sees the minor correction along the way, options give you great power to profit in any kind of market condition. As you can see on Delta Exchange India, we have taken crypto options trading to another level with daily expiries. Yes, you heard me absolutely right. Daily expiries for Bitcoin and Ethereum options are available for those traders who want quick, calculated and consistent profits. Let me give you 3 reasons why these daily expiries for crypto options are a game changer for you. First, for daily traders, with daily expiries, you can lock your profit within hours. No waiting for weekly or monthly contracts. It is trading on your own terms. Second, for theta players who loves time decay, our options thrives on theta strategies, especially in the market where implied volatility is very hot. Third, for traders who wants to capture the trend but also want to keep their capital protected, multiple option expiries give you flexibility to create any kind of option strategies according to your risk appetite. If you think a big move is coming in next 24 hours, use a call option to ride your bet and put options to hedge it. Let me now show you how easy it is to trade options on Delta Exchange platform. Once you have clicked on this options tab, you can see a window like this pop up. As you can see on the left side, there are multiple expiries that are available for the option contract. So we have a 0DT, 1DT and 2DT option contracts, and then we have a weekly option contracts, bi-weekly contract and a monthly option contract. The weekly contract for Ethereum and Bitcoin options gets expired on 5:30 p.m. according to Indian timings every Friday. As we are aware that the crypto markets operate 24/7, the daily option contracts for Bitcoin and Ethereum on Delta Exchange platform get expired on 5:30 p.m. Indian timing. So you can choose any expiry you want to trade in. By clicking on the expiry date, there will be option chain available for that particular contract. Left side of the table shows the call strikes and right side of the table shows the put side. The in the money contracts for calls and puts are highlighted. So the option chain provides all the important information about all these strikes. Currently, for different strikes, we can see the open interest, bid and ask quantities and bid and ask prices. And if you slide your cursor like this, you will get all the important information about each of these strikes like delta and other Greeks if you want to know them. Now let me show you how easy it is to take a trade. You just have to click on an option that you want to buy or sell. As you can see, I have selected 97,200 put option and it got highlighted here. Now I can decide either I want to buy or sell it. Once I have placed the price and quantity, all I have to do is to click sell or buy button. And if you are someone who trades in option strategies, we do have a strategy builder option. Using strategy builder can tell you your payoff diagram and make you aware about what kind of trade you are entering into. Let me show you how easy and amazing this tool is. Just click on this button and turn the strategy builder on. Now I can just add the contracts directly from the option chain. Once you have filled on the price and quantity, just click on this analyze payoff button and in no time it gives you the payoff for your option strategy. It calculates the maximum profit, loss, your risk and reward and even the break-even point. Now let me tell you as option traders what all insights you can draw from a Delta Exchange platform. So in this more button, just go to analytics. Here's the open interest data available for multiple expiries. Not only this, you also have an open interest change date. And as option trader, you must be aware that how important it is to analyze this data. And just look at this volatility. IV is through the roof right now, which means higher premiums for seller and bigger potential gains for option buyers. With Bitcoin journey to $1 lakh, every small move matters. In the past few days alone, it has shown a massive upside movement. And if you are trading into options, these moves can turn into potential profits. Here's a kicker. On Delta Exchange, every transaction is INR settled. If you already have option strategies that works well in daily or weekly expiries, it is your opportunity now to apply them on crypto options with ease. This platform is built with keeping Indian traders in mind, offering a hassle-free platform for crypto derivatives trading. For traders who have been skeptical for crypto derivatives trading due to regulations, I must tell you that Delta Exchange is FIU registered, ensuring you a secure and compliant trading experience. Are you ready to trade like a pro and profit from Bitcoin's climb to $1 lakh? Then just head over to Delta Exchange and sign up right now. And let's start turning this Bitcoin bull run into your biggest trading opportunity yet. So traders, this is your time to not only just trade but dominate the market with Delta Exchange. Subscribe this channel for more strategies and market updates. See you in next video. Till then, happy trading.